I never felt so good on a Sunday. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. It's just absolutely incredible the way I feel right now. And let's just talk about it. Because yesterday, I come to you guys and I start streaming. And I talked to you guys about CHC, Chaincoin. And I told you guys it was a revolution. I told you guys that you need to be a hodler. You need to hold on to this cryptocurrency. This is not a cryptocurrency to day trade. This is not a cryptocurrency to flip. This is not a cryptocurrency to buy low, sell high. This is strictly a cryptocurrency to buy low and hold. And what happened? Well, yesterday when we were talking about it, it was at, I don't know, maybe you guys can help me, $2.30, $2.50, somewhere around that range. And right now we're at what? Let's take a look. Let's have some good music, some winning music. We'll give you the alert music. You guys ready? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, we're at $4. Did I not tell you yesterday? Did I call that? I guess you could call me Rich Tradamus then, right? Because I did say that it was gonna go up. And I did say it was a winner. And everybody in our community who's buying it is winning. And I gotta give a mad shout out to Max, the leader of the Chaincoin revolution. Without you, Max, none of this is even possible. Guys, he's listed as a related channel on Rich TV Live as a featured channel. Go to High on Coins, that's Max's channel. Go and subscribe right now. This guy is absolutely amazing. He has inspired me. He has completely changed the way I think about YouTube, how I think about investing, how I think about myself. And I'm super excited about the direction that we're going in as a community. And I'm super excited to be a part of this movement, the Chaincoin CHC explosion, the Chaincoin movement, which is helping everybody make money. And the crazy thing is, the really crazy thing is, Bitcoin is crashing. So while Bitcoin is crashing and all the other cryptocurrencies in the world are crashing, Bitcoin is currently at, disgusting, $1,890 US, okay? So while Bitcoin is crashing, while BitShares is crashing down 14%, while the Einsteinium coin is down 6%, while EOS is down 11%, while Ethereum is down 14% at $150, while Exclusive Coin is down 28% at 46 cents, while the Kush coin is down at 2 cents, down 27%, while Litecoin is down 2% at $37, while NTRN is down 23% at 6 cents, while the Potcoin is down 4% at 6 cents, while Sia Coin is down 10% at 005, while Steam is down 4% at 92 cents, while they're all down. Ripple is down 19% at 14 cents. They are all down. And the only one that's up, and up 102%, at currently $4.06, is Chaincoin. And isn't it interesting that we brought you Chaincoin first? Isn't it interesting that we're able to identify the only winner in the entire cryptocurrency space out of 811 coins? Do you think that that's by mistake, people? Do you think that that's just lucky? Or do you think maybe we've kind of caught on to something? Do you think that maybe we've identified something that has enormous potential? And I mean enormous potential. Chaincoin is not just a coin, guys. It's a revolution. It's people helping people and people working together to create freedom, to create wealth, to create happiness. And what's happening right now in the crypto space is nothing that creates happiness for anybody. Everybody is getting crushed. Everybody's getting hurt. Everybody's losing money. And there's nothing good about that. But when we are able to identify the one coin that is winning, and we're able to identify the one coin that is up, that makes me feel very, very happy. And it makes me feel very, very lucky. And it makes me feel very special. And I hope you, the Rich TV Live community, and the people that are watching all over the world can really understand what's happening right now. And you need to go to High on Coins, listed right on Rich TV Live, and watch Max go through every single one of his videos over the last 9 days, because this has only happened 9 days ago. 9 days ago, Max started talking about this experiment that he wanted to do with Chaincoin, where he wanted to see if he got a bunch of people working together to buy low, create a wall of buying, and everybody just hold. Don't buy low, sell high, just hold. We call them hodlers or hodling. This experiment has turned into a revolution. In a matter of 9 days, this coin has gone up, I think it's about 40,000%. So if you put in $1,000, you would have made $40,000. So to me, that's pretty extraordinary. I've been in the industry for a long time, in the investing industry for about 18 years. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. Yes, I've seen stocks go up 40,000%. I've seen them go down. I've seen them go up. I've seen them go sideways. But I've never really seen anything quite like this, where you actually have an entire community of people coming together, rallying around this incredible cause. And I really want to give a shout out to Random Tandems. These guys are absolutely incredible. They are literally talking about Chaincoin around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And they are being live streamed right now on Rich TV Live. And they are live streaming 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on our community, on our platform, because I'm so excited to be a part of this that I don't want anyone to miss out. And if you want to find out what they're talking about, what they're doing, you could see it right on Rich TV Live. And it's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So what better way to see what's going on than right there on our community, right on our platform? Because we are the platform for the people. Our goal, our modus operandi has always been help the people, create freedom for the people, create time. It's one thing to make money, but we all want time. We want to make the money so we can enjoy our time, but don't we all just want time? So there's so many people out there that make a lot of money, but they don't really have a lot of time. What we're creating here with the power of the people, with this new revolution, is we're creating the ability to not just make money, but we're creating the ability for you to create time. And how we're going to create time is simply by giving the people the ability to make money, and that money will give you time. And by acquiring and accumulating chain coins and being a hodler, which is like a hoarder, you hoard these coins. You don't sell them, you hold them. If everybody believes in this theory, and all the haters and the trolls and the naysayers and the shorters and the whales that are sitting there with unlimited money are just crashing it down, crashing it down, crashing it down. Eventually, the selling will stop. And the community, the people, the hodlers, we will take over. And we will always be able to just keep soaking it up at a lower price, soaking it up at a lower price, soaking it up at a lower price. So we don't need to worry how high it goes. We need to worry about how low it goes. And when it goes down, that's when we buy. And when it goes down, that's when we buy. And when it goes down, that's when we buy. We need to keep accumulating and accumulating and accumulating these coins. When it goes down in the cheap, that's when we buy. When it goes down in the cheap, that's when we buy. When it goes down in the cheap, that's when we buy. Now you say, well, Rich, how do we make money if we can't sell? The beautiful thing about the Chaincoin is that it has a master node. So once you accumulate 1,000 coins, you will have one master node. Now you ask, Rich, what is a master node? Well, very simple. A master node is like a dividend. So what happens is Once you have 1,000 coins, you literally have the ability to download, to mine 2 chain coins a day with 1,000 coins. So depending on how high the chain coins go up, right now they're at $4, you would be making $8 a day in residual income off one masternode. Let's say Chaincoin goes up to $100, which hopefully it will go to. That's where Max wants to see it. That's where I'd love to see it. At that point, you'd be making $200 a day with your one masternode. So the goal right now is accumulate as many coins as you can as cheap as possible, sit on the bid, soak it all up at a low price. Don't flip it, don't sell it, sit on the bid, soak it up, accumulate. And as this coin starts going more mainstream and everybody all over the world starts realizing that this is the #1 coin on the planet, because while all the other coins are going down, this one's shooting up, more and more people are going to buy it, and it's going to drive the price up. And as the price goes up and we keep accumulating on the cheap, we're winning. And as we accumulate our master nodes and the price goes up, we won't have to sell. We can just be hodlers. And I'll be honest with you guys, that's all I want to do is just accumulate and be a hodler for life, be a general for Max and random tandems, and be a general that is going to have brass balls and isn't going to sell, but is just going to accumulate. Now, I can't tell you guys not to sell. You guys can do whatever you want. But typically what everyone is saying in the community is we will give instructions when to sell so that we don't crush it down. Now, if you have a little bit and you want to sell like 25%, sell it on the offer, don't hit bids, and just sell on the offer, sell a little bit, and then immediately go back and sit on the bid and soak it all up again and try to buy it at a lower price. That's really what this revolution is all about, is people working together to support this cause so all of you can win. So understand, that's why we're doing this, people. Now, I know a lot of you are going to try to flip it. A lot of you guys are greedy. I get that. You're not really the kind of person that is going to really take advantage of this opportunity. The people that are going to really take advantage of this opportunity are people that are going to follow instructions and understand the movement, which is buy low, soak it up, support the cause, support the deal, get it at a really low price, and then when it goes up, you're reaping the rewards with your master node, because now you're mining to You're essentially mining, you're gaining, accumulating 2 chain coins every day for life with each master node. So it's kind of like a residual income. So why wouldn't you want to accumulate this coin and hodl, which is another word for holding long term, okay? You want to accumulate and hodl, accumulate and hodl, and accumulate and hodl. And our community, I'm so proud of you guys. That's all you guys are doing. A lot of you have told me you will never sell. A lot of you are telling me you're accumulating to get your master nodes. A lot of you are telling me you just want to keep buying it low, accumulating. And I'm so proud of you guys. I'm so proud of the community. I don't really know what else to say other than, this is really exciting. I'm excited to be part of this. It was exciting. My daughter wakes me up at 7 a.m. this morning. And I'm like, man, why are you waking me up so early? I'm tired. I've been staring at the computer 24/7, watching random tandems. These guys are literally live. These guys have been live since July the 12th. For 4 days straight, they've been live talking about Chaincoin. I mean, that's all they do. They just go live and talk about Chaincoin. It's pretty spectacular. I've never really seen anything like it. And it's kind of exhausting, but it's worth it because it's incredible what's happening right here. It's like I said, it's a revolution. I've never seen anything like it. Some epic things are happening. What's up, peeps? Let's give a shout out to Omar Bilal. Let's give a shout out to the Civil Anarchist. How you guys doing? Thank you for joining the revolution. Thank you for joining the community. We are the HODL Squad. What's up, Kenny Lee? Cloud Ninja, Kenny Lee, I got to give you all the props, bro, because if it wasn't for Kenny Lee, I wouldn't even know about Chaincoin, okay? I would just think it's another coin. I wouldn't understand this revolution. Isn't that funny? Since we've been talking, the sun has come out. You think that's by mistake? Do you think it's by mistake that we were able to identify the only cryptocurrency in the universe that is going up when all the others are crashing? Or do you think it's because good things happen to good people? I think it's because good things happen to good people. And we're good people. We don't want to crush this. We don't want to hurt this. We want to be a part of this movement. We want to be a part of this revolution. And we want to grow with this revolution. We want to make a name for ourselves. We want to be the platform where people can go to and find winners. And I told you guys earlier this week, we found the hottest stock in the world and we found the hottest cryptocurrency. And we will continue to. Now, so for some of you guys that are looking for stocks, you guys can go to protraderelite.com and they are giving out alerts. And last week, 3 of their alerts went up 31,000% collectively. So please go to protraderelite.com, sign up for their alert, and every morning at literally like 9:30 a.m. Eastern, 6:30 a.m. Pacific, they are giving their alert and they will skyrocket. So I'm expecting a huge result on Monday for their alert, and I won't be surprised if it goes up 1,000%. So if you guys are looking to make a quick day trade, don't do that with Chaincoin. Go to ProTrader Elite, set up your trading account. If you're looking for a trading account, go to richtvlive.com, go under stocks, you can see Choice Trade, and you can set up an account with Choice Trade for only $5 a trade. That's one of our partners. We have many partners and many affiliates. We're growing very quickly at Rich TV Live. We're growing globally. And I know a lot of you want to day trade. A lot of you are looking to make quick returns. CHC, Chaincoin, is not that platform. Okay, guys? Chaincoin is a platform to buy low, soak it up, be a sniper, be a ninja. It's the same theories and the same principles I've been talking to you guys about stocks. Buy low and hodl. Okay? Not buy low, sell high, but buy low and hodl. And when Max and the community gives instructions to sell a little bit, we will let you know. And at that point in time, we can sell slowly but surely so that nobody gets hurt and everybody gets a chance to win. But the goal here is to play with money you can afford to lose. So hopefully you can get into this, hold it as a long-term investment so that you can accumulate your master nodes, and then you can receive with one master node 2 chain coins a day. And as the price of the chain coin accumulates and goes up and hopefully gets up to $100, you will be making $200 a day in residual income, which is $6,000 a month. So I don't know anybody that couldn't use an extra $72,000 a year. And if you like to make an extra $72,000 a year, you got to get into this Chaincoin revolution right now. You need to really soak it up. Now, it's at $4. It was at $2 yesterday. So buyer beware. I think it can go up and it can go down. I'm going to be sitting and just sniping it, waiting for it to go down, waiting to buy it in the red. Same principles. You don't need to chase it when it's up 100%. I wouldn't do it. It went up all the way to $6, came all the way down to $1, okay? Now it's back up to $4. So it went up, came all the way down, was oversold, and now it's going all the way back up again. Now, tomorrow, there will be a press release out. Max is putting a press release out tonight at midnight. So tomorrow, when you guys are up, I wouldn't be surprised if this is at like $5, $6, $7, $8, $10, because a press release is going to go out and it's going to be mainstream. So who knows how high it's going to go? It could go way higher. It could go much higher. But remember, because things go up, it also could go down. And when things go up, it's signaling a selling opportunity for a lot of the flippers, whales, shorters, naysayers, haters, trolls. So just be careful, and you want to snipe this, okay? You want to buy it as low as humanly possible so that you guys can get it on the cheap and acquire those master nodes without spending too much money. Now, I don't know where it's going to go. I'm not Nostradamus. I'm Rich Stradamus. I'm hoping it's going to go to $100. I don't anticipate to go to $100 overnight, but we saw it go up to $6. We saw it go from 46 cents when we first saw it, go up to $6 and I believe 60, 70 cents. And then went all the way back down to $1.31, I believe. And now it's back up to $4 and what is it at right now, guys? What's it at? We're at $4.06. Hold on. $4.18 right now. So we're back to 418, and it's incredible, this ride. It's like up, it's down, it's up, it's down. So when it's down, that's when you soak it up, buy it on the cheap, try to accumulate those master nodes. And remember, 1,000 coins is equal to 1 master node, which will earn you 2 chain coins a day. Now you're asking, where do I find out all this information? If you guys go to www.richtvlive.com, here, I'll pull it up. What's up, Ron? How you doing? How do you need to know the numbers? Been trying to buy half a bit onto CHC, but don't understand how much it numbers represents. Okay, so in order for you to understand how it represents, you can download this app called Blockfolio right on your phone. And Blockfolio is amazing because it shows you the charts. You can see right there, that's the Chaincoin chart. And it's real time. So if you look at it, and if I go to my holdings, you will see every other coin is in the red except for Chaincoin. And Chaincoin is up 107%. Everything else is in the red. Literally everything. Everything else is in the red today. Everything. They're all in the red. Everything. Bitcoin is crashing, currently at $1,900. Might be a great time to buy Bitcoin, but I wouldn't even hold Bitcoin right now. I'd just be acquiring my Chaincoin. I'd just be accumulating and acquiring my Chaincoin, trying to accumulate as much as humanly possible. And you want 1,000 chain coins so that you can have 1 master node. Okay, and if you go to Blockfolio, it automatically will convert the price of your chain coin into dollars. So currently, chain coin is at $4.18. It automatically converts it into dollars so you can understand it in layman's terms, in simple terms. Okay, guys? So hopefully that answers your question. Now, a lot of you guys are wondering, where do I learn about Chaincoin? Well, the best place to learn about Chaincoin and the best place to learn about stocks, cryptocurrencies, affiliates, and entrepreneurialism is richtvlive.com. If you go to richtvlive.com, that's our website right there, everything is absolutely free. But if you go to Bitcoin, click on the Bitcoin link, you can see the third link down, the fourth link down is Chaincoin. So I actually have a link directly to the Chaincoin website, which was created by Max. You can click on that, and it gives you all the information you need to know about Chaincoin right there. And if you go one up to Cryptopia, which is also on Rich TV Live, that is the #1 exchange right now where you can go on Cryptopia. It's the #1 exchange you can go to trade Chaincoin. It's the only exchange you can go to right now to buy and trade Chaincoin. So buy your coins at Coinbase or Quadrica if you're in Canada, or local Bitcoins or Coin Mama. You can find links to all of those different coins right on Rich TV Live under the Bitcoin link. Okay? And then what you do is once you have your coins, you go to Cryptopia, transfer your coins to Cryptopia, and then you just type in under search CHC, and then you can go and you can see buy and sell orders, and you can literally see the prices that people are buying it and the prices that people are selling it. You want to be able to sit on the bid at a reasonable price and just soak it up and accumulate at the lowest possible price. You want to support the deal by sitting on what we call the wall. That's one of the things I really like about this revolution is everybody's working together and they've created a wall, and it's a wall of buying, okay? And this wall of buying is just growing, and it's going to keep growing, and it's keep going to get bigger. It's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And as this wall gets bigger and bigger and bigger, we will get stronger and stronger and stronger. And what's going to happen is, and this is the idea that Max had, which I think is brilliant, eventually all the sellers are going to run out of steam. They're going to run out of coins to sell, and the price is going to explode. And that's exactly what happened today. All the sellers ran out of steam. All the haters ran out of steam. All the sellers and the haters ran out of coins. And guess what's happening? It exploded 100% today when every other coin is down. That's not by mistake, people. This is the power of the people. This is the power of community. This is the power of the people working together, following instructions. Now, a lot of other coins are trying to steal this strategy, but unless you actually have the right people working together to support the cause, I don't believe they will be successful. So the only coin I'm interested in accumulating right now in the world, because everything else is falling, is Chaincoin. Until I see Bitcoin and all the other coins turn around completely, I'm not really interested in acquiring anything else. The only coin I want to accumulate is Chaincoin, okay? And it's because it is absolutely on fire. It is hot. It's got momentum. It is strong. It's got power, and it has the power of the people behind it. It has the power of community behind it, and I just see this continuing. I don't see any reason why this momentum will not continue. And if you guys go to random tandems, you will see exactly why this power will continue. Okay, these guys are absolutely incredible. They are live streaming every single day, and they are a great example of what it takes to be successful. It takes ultimate sacrifice. It takes ultimate focus. It takes everybody working together as a unit to win. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for joining this movement. I really hope that you guys can be a part of this. This is exciting. It's exciting to be a part of this movement. I want this to continue. I want you guys to win, and I hope all of you guys get a chance to be a part of this exciting opportunity that I believe is just getting started. I believe this is the 9th day right now that this coin has started this experiment. And man, it's been a roller coaster ride, but I can assure you that everybody within our community is winning. So keep hodling, people. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't have any fear. Continue to hodl, continue to accumulate, and continue to win, and get your masternode. All right, people, I'm out. Your general is out. Shout out to Max. Shout out to Random Tandems. Shout out to Kenny Lee and all of you in the community today. I love you guys. Keep winning. And remember, if you're not winning, you're not watching. Who's watching? Peace! This is my winning dance. I'm out.